Ito yung 3 reasons kung bakit nag-fail yung ads mo. Assuming you have winning creatives, ha. First reason, the ad structure. Kahit maganda yung ad, kung mali naman yung setup and flow ng campaign, mahihirapan yung system i-deliver ng tama yung ad. Now, second reason, your offer, product offer or service offer man yan. If the offer is not clear, kahit anong ganda ng ad, walang bibigay. Kapag hindi malinaw kung ano yung binebenta at bakit kailangan yun ng taong bibili, walang conversion yung nangyayari. Now, the third reason is audience. If you're showing the ad to the wrong people, it will fail. For example, nagbebenta ka ng ceramic coating services, pero yung pinagpapakitaan mo ng ads, hindi naman pala car owner. Kahit perfect yung creative, kung maling audience yung tina-target, walang result na lalabas. So, most people blame the AV. Pero kadalasan, ang problema nasa structure, nasa offer, or nasa audience, o pwedeng natin sa tatlo, or pwedeng kasama yung creatives. But again, to know more about this, may Facebook group ako where I share tips. Libre lang sumali, you can join anytime.